Good evening everyone. Call everyone. Call everyone. Yeah, good evening everyone. Call everyone. Call everyone. Let's wait 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait 1 or 2 minutes so that all the people will join. Can we go ahead? Bro, can we go ahead? Yeah, good evening everyone. So in group they told 6 to 8. Oh, sorry, Vijay. Sorry, Vijay. It is a 7 to 9. Yesterday we mentioned in the class also. Maybe some mistake has happened. I don't know. Right. So yeah, I will inform to them change. Right. So class is 7 to 9. Class is 7 to 9. AI is 6 to 8. AI is 6 to 8. C programming is 7 to 9. Yeah, maybe if at all any mistake has happened, yeah, I will check and I will inform to them. Class is 7 to 9. Good evening everyone. Hi Giri, good evening. Sakshi, good evening. Good evening to everyone. Yeah. Today in Ahmedabad, some plane accident happened. Plane, I think, crash happened. Many people, many innocent people lost their life. Approximately, I think, 100 plus.
आपके सवाल का मतलब वाज़ेह नहीं है.
Oh, sorry for this. Right? Today in the Ahmedabad plane crash, approximately 100 plus people are lost their life. So the unfortunate thing is that plane is landed on one of the hostel where so many students are there. Most probably students also, many students lost their life. Many innocent students lost their life. Right? Plane crash is the one issue. The one more biggest issue is plane is landed on one of the hostel where many innocent kids, their age is approximately, maybe, I think, in my opinion 17 to 20 years or 17 to 22 years, something like that. Many students, right? We don't know exact number because it is fallen on the hostel where so many students are there. We don't know the effect, but in my opinion 100 plus people are lost by seeing the newspaper, by seeing the news, by different channels. Right, I got to know 100 plus people lost their life. So right, from our side what we can do is, right, we can pray the god to their families, give strength. Those people who lost their family member, those people, right, whose family member is affected, right? So we can pray the god, right? More than that, what we can do as a fellow human, right? It is our responsibility. It is our responsibility to pray the God, right? So I think this is the thing what we can do, right? Yeah. So yeah, you all people can type some good message to their family members. Yeah, you all people can type. You all people can type that family, right? So God, I hope God will give enough strength to that family to to face these consequences. So we all know how much painful it is. One of the family member lost and one of the family member is affected, right? Somehow, right? So it is our responsibility to show our condolences, right? So yeah, please everyone can type. Everyone can type. Everyone can give your blessings to them. Go ahead, everyone. Before starting the subject, everyone pray the God. Give your wishes. Give your blessings. Make it fast. This is the only thing what we can do. I hope God will give strength to those family members to accept the pain, whatever is going to come. It's very painful. It's very painful. We cannot describe, right? We cannot describe what, right? How they will accommodate. We cannot describe, but what we can do other than this. Make it fast. Everyone, make it fast. Thank you, Shikhar. Thank you. Everyone, try once. Make it fast. All the members have to write so that we can start. Hello, make it fast, yaar. Can't you type small message also? Write some, right? You are right. Just give, right? Just pray the God. Just pray the God. Give enough strength to the family members, the people who are affected, the families who are affected. Please write. The families who are affected in that plane crash, please right, please ask the God, give the strength to the family members to accept this pain. Everyone should write. Can't you write one small message? You all people cannot write small message. Please go ahead, yeah. Make it fast. Everyone, please type. Please make it fast. It is our responsibility as a fellow citizen, as a fellow member of the society. It is our responsibility. Everyone, if anyone is not done, please go ahead. If anyone is not done, please go ahead. So the unfortunate thing is that plane went and crashed right on one of the hostel where many students are there, many innocent kids are there. They didn't see the life also. They just started the life, right? Approximately 17 years old, maybe 20 years old, approximately. Medical college, it is a medical hostel, medical college hostel. So many people, approximately 17 plus years. They didn't see the life also. They didn't started. They want to start after their graduation is over. But anyhow, so hope God will give enough strength. Let's start now. Now let's start. I'm starting. Everything is perfect now. I'm starting. Yeah, really, it's a very sad. It's a very sad news. But yeah, I hope God will take care those family members. God and government will take care. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, everyone. So I'm starting. I'm starting now. I'm starting. C programming. C programming. In that first topic, C programming, in that first topic, scope of a variable. What it means, I will explain carefully, don't worry. First topic is scope of a variable. Scope of a variable. Exactly what it is, I will explain, don't worry. Exactly what it is, I will explain, don't worry. Right, scope of a variable. So there are two things are there. One is static scoping, as I mentioned. Static scoping. Another one, dynamic scoping. Another one, dynamic scoping. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Right, so yeah, let's go to first problem. I will explain what is the exactly meaning of this. What is the exactly meaning of this, right? Let's go to first problem. Let's go to first problem, right? Let's start. Example 1. Example 1. Main program. Yeah, so main program, let me check here. Main program. Int A is equal to, easily you will get. First few minutes it look like you are not getting. After few minutes everything is okay. Int A is equal to 10. B function is called. Int A is equal to 10. B function is called. Let's go to B function. Let's go to B function. Int A is equal to 20. C function is called. Easily will get. First few minutes you feel that you are not getting. After some time guarantee will get. C function. Int A is equal to 30. So D function is called. Next one, let's go to D function. Let's go to D function. Int A is equal to 40. Printf percentage D A, and one more, one global variable also I am taking. Int A is equal to 5. One global variable also I am writing. Within few minutes easily you will get. Within few minutes easily you will get. So right, see this one. One is a static scoping, another one is a dynamic scoping. Yeah, you don't worry about this. You don't worry about this. This area you don't worry. Static scoping, dynamic scoping I written. Static scoping, dynamic scoping I written. Even though it is not visible, no problem. Right, see this one. Scope of a variable. Scope of a variable. For that first program I given. So int A is equal to 5, main program. Afterwards B function, afterwards C function, afterwards D function. Can you take this first? Can you take this first? Till now can you take? Easily you will get. Till now can you take? If anyone says, sir, it is not visible. If anyone says, sir, it is not visible, I will rewrite again. Nothing there. If you say it is not visible, I will rewrite again. C programming, scope of a variable. Scope of a variable. There are two types of scopes. One is static scoping. One is static scoping, another one is dynamic scoping. There are two things. I'm going to explain clearly, don't worry. Just to take this first. Just to take this first. It is a very, very important topic. For C programming, it is a very, very important topic. For C programming, it is a very, very important topic. Yeah, concentrate everyone. First topic is scope of a variable. I written the example. First example I written. I written the first example. Yeah, now my first question to all the people, please type. Before going further, please type everyone. Everyone type here. Everyone type here. Yeah, everyone type here. Sir, today morning we are discussing about accident. Yeah, maybe unknowingly it happened. Right, some accidents and all. Today morning we are discussing. Yeah, in the access control. Yeah, thank you so much for reminding Sakshi. Right, this unknowingly happened. Yeah, fine. Let's concentrate here. Those people who are watching this class, please type carefully everyone. Please type carefully everyone. Right? In this program, the program whichever I written, in this program, how many functions are there? Please type everyone. Everyone type. The program which I written, in that program, how many functions are there? Make it fast. Everyone make it fast. The program whichever I written, in that program, how many functions are there? Everyone have to type. How many functions are there? 4 functions. Can you give the names? Please type everyone. How many functions are there? What are the names? Next one. How many local variables are there? What are the names? How many global variables are there? What are the names? Can you list out all? How many local variables? How many global variables? What are the names? How many functions are there? Please write down everything. Everyone, please write. Please write everyone. Don't sit like a stone. Don't sit like a stone. Please type the program whichever I written. How many functions are there? How many functions are there? What are the names? How many local variables? How many global variables? I want answer from all of you. Everyone write. Everyone write. If you cannot write, please don't come to the class. If you cannot write, sir, I cannot type, sir. Please don't come to the class. I am begging everyone. Please don't come to the class if you don't want to type. If you don't want to participate, please, my request is, please go to recording. Please go to recording when you cannot type. Sir, I cannot type, sir. Then don't come to the class. Please go to recording. How many functions are there? What are the names? How many local variables? What are the names? How many global variables? What are the names? Please go ahead. Everyone type. This is the first program. Within few minutes, you will get to know what is the scope of a variable. Within few minutes, you will get what is the scope of a variable. So now I am saying, whatever possible you tried. Now I am giving answer. There are 4 functions. Main, B, C, D. There are 4 functions. Main, B, C, D. Next one. There are 4 local variables. Name is A. So see this one, int A. So at anywhere, this is called declaration. See, this is called declaration. In any function inside declaration means A is a local variable. Right? Inside the function declaration, this is called declaration. So A is a local variable. It is also declaration, but outside global variable. Outside is a global variable. And some people are asking, what is the meaning of declaration? Remember, this is the meaning of declaration. Data type followed by variable name. This is called declaration. Data type followed by variable name. Data type followed by variable name, that is called declaration. So this is a declaration. This is also 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 a declaration. Some people are asking declaration purpose what, sir? Declaration purpose is creating memory. Declaration purpose is creating memory. When you declare, memory will allocate. Whenever you come to declaration, memory will allocate. Sir, how many bytes, sir? Assume integer is 2 bytes. I am writing here. Assume integer 2 bytes. Integer is 2 bytes. Assume. Character is 1 byte. Float is 4 bytes. Assume this. Every data type having some size. Every data type having some size. Assume integer 2 bytes. If you want to store integer, 2 bytes memory required. If you want to store character, 1 byte memory required. If you want to store float, 4 bytes memory required. Assume in examination, if at all sizes are right, that problem is related to sizes. In exam, they will give in the question paper. If any question related to sizes, size of a particular variable, if anything related like that, in the examination they will mention. Don't worry. So, right, compiler to compiler, right, operating system to operating system, they will change. Compiler to compiler, operating system to operating system, sizes will be keep on change. That is the reason in examination they will mention. Any problem related to sizes of a particular variable, so they will mention in the exam. In the exam, they will mention. Assume that integer is for my classes, for all the C programming classes, assume 2 bytes. If they don't mention anything, assume integer 2 bytes, character 1 byte, float 4 bytes. Assume like this. Integer 2 byte, char is 1 byte, float is 4 bytes. Assume like that. Okay, I think everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Now I am starting now. Everything is perfect. Now I am starting. There are 4 functions, main, B, C, D. Main B, C, D, and one more, 4 local variables. Why it is called local is local declaration is their local variable, right? Outside declaration is their global variable. What is the purpose? Creating memory. Purpose of declaration is creating memory. How many bytes are? Integer 2 bytes, character 1 byte, float 4 bytes. Float 4 bytes. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Now, if you observe clearly, one global, 4 locals, 4 local. Remember everyone, local variable memory will allocate. Local variable memory will allocate in stack area. Local variable memory will allocate by default stack area. Right? Inside the RAM area, random access memory, inside the RAM area. I'm repeating once again, inside the RAM area, right? There is one area called stack area. Inside stack area, local variables memory will allocate. Global variable memory will allocate. Global variables memory will allocate in the right static area. Inside the RAM area, one more area is there, that is called static area. Global variable memory will allocate in the static area. Local variable memory will allocate in the stack area. Integer 2 bytes, character 1 byte, float 4 bytes. Please try to catch this problem properly. Please try to catch this problem properly. You will get to know so many details. In the first problem, you are going to get so many details. All the basics will come. From today onwards, if anyone asks you, global variable where memory allocate, what is the answer? Static area. Local variables where memory will allocate, stack area. Where these 2 areas will be there? In the RAM area. Main memory means, main memory is the combination of RAM and ROM. Random access memory, read-only memory. Main memory is the combination of RAM area, ROM area. In the RAM area, some area is static area, right? Some area is stack area. One more area is there, heap area. Afterwards, we will discuss. One more area is there, that is called as a heap area. Afterwards, we will discuss. As of now, what is required, let me explain clearly. Now, I think everyone can type. Local variables, when the memory will allocate. Local variables, where the memory will allocate. Everyone type. Local variables, where memory will allocate. Everyone type. Please type everyone. Local variable, where memory will allocate. Please try everyone. Local variable where memory will allocate. Local variable where memory, stack area. Global variable where memory, static area. Local variable is stack area. Global variable is a static area. Okay, that is also okay. Until now, everyone is comfortable. Until now, next one. Program execution will start from where? Program execution will start from main. Program execution will start from main. Let me write that also. Everyone know this. Program execution. Program execution. Program execution will start from. Program execution will start from main. This is also everyone know. Program execution will start from main function. That is also everyone know. Next one more thing. Program execution. See this one. Program execution. Okay, you want to execute the program, it's okay. But before program execution, you have to compile. Right? When you want to run the C program, first you have to compile. C program you want to run, first you have to compile. Remember everyone. C programming, if you want to run, first you have to compile. So everyone listen. C program, if you want to run, you have to compile. That is okay. C program, if you want to run, you have to compile. That is a very good. Right? First you have to, if you want to run, you have to compile first. You have to compile first. Remember everyone. Compile time itself. 6-1. Compile time itself. Global variable memory will allocate. When you are compiling a program, compilation time itself, global variable memory will allocate. If you want, you can check. See this one. Program execution will start from main. Execution, program running will start from main. But before main only global variable is there. Remember, global variable memory will allocate compile time. Local variable memory will allocate run time. I will write that also. Let me check. I am writing here. See this one. Local variable memory will allocate in the stack area. That is also okay. At running time. When our program is running time, local variables memory will allocate in the stack area. Global variable memory will allocate in the static area, but compile time itself. Compile time itself memory will allocate. Fine. Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? So please take care of. Any problem is there, let me know. Local variable memory will allocate in the stack area while running. Global variable memory will allocate in the static area. Compilation time. Is there any issue till now? Check any issue till now. Little doubt also there, you can write. Small doubt also there, you can write. Local variable memory will allocate in the stack area while running. Because running will start from main. Main is a function. When you say local variable, inside people. When you are running the main, then only I can say inside people. Whenever I'm running the function B, then only I can see inside people. While running local variable memory in the stack area. Compilation time itself, global variable memory will allocate. Which area? Static area. So first, if you want to run the program, you have to compile first. If you want to run the C program, first you have to compile. Program execution will start from main. Okay, right? But before running, you have to compile first. Let me write. Before running, we have to compile first. C program, before running, we have to compile first. Compile time itself, global variable, memory will allocate in the static area. Running time, local variable, memory will allocate in the stack area. Remember, stack also, static also, they both are part of RAM area, which is nothing but main memory. So I will write some roughly. See this one. I am writing roughly. Can you see? It is a main memory. It's a main memory. See this one. It is a main memory. That is also RAM area. It is a main memory. That is also RAM area. In the RAM area, there are three portions. In the RAM area, there are three portions. Careful. In the RAM area, there are three portions. One portion is static area. One portion is static area. One more portion. See this one. One more portion. See this one. Stack area. It is a stack area. One more heap area. One more heap area. So heap area can expand like this. Stack area can expand like this. Until some space stack area, until some space heap area. Until some space heap area, until some space stack area. So in the main memory, which is the RAM area, three portions are there. Heap area, stack area, static area. Right, fine. Remember everyone, all global variables are here. All local variables are here. What about this one? We will see afterwards. Here we will see afterwards. Local variables are in the stack area. Global variables in the static area. What is there in the heap area? We will discuss afterwards. Right? We will discuss afterwards. Roughly, I am giving roughly correct time. I will say everything. My only intention is I want to make sure everyone will get. So if anyone is having a little doubt also, within a few minutes you will get. Now see the answer. I am starting. Everything is perfect. I am starting now. See this one. See everyone. Now. It is the series one. It is a stack. Carefully observe. It is a stack. Carefully observe. It is a stack. It is a stack. And one more. It is static area. These two are part of main memory. This is static area. This is the stack area. These all are part of main memory. Now listen. Before compilation, see this one. Before running, I have to compile. While compiling, global variable memory will allocate. Which area? Static area. So here, see this one. For the A variable, right? Memory will allocate. In the static area, for the global variable A, memory will allocate. At which memory location? 1000. 1000 onwards, because of it is integer, 2 bytes. In the 2 bytes, 5 will store. While compiling, global variable memory will allocate in the static area. How many bytes? Integer, 2 bytes. From which memory location? From the memory location 1000 onwards, 2 bytes of memory allocated for global variable A. Inside A, 5 will be stored. So compilation is over. Global variable memory allocated already. Now let me run the program. Compilation is over. Let me run the program. Remember only one thing. Compilation time, global variable memory allocated in the static area. How many bytes? 2 bytes. From which memory location? 1000. 1000 onwards, 2 bytes. Means 1000 memory location, 1001 memory location. 2 bytes of memory. 5 will be stored. Some people are asking 2 bytes means what? I think 0, 1, 2. See this one. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 15. 0 to 15. 16 bits. In the 16 bits, right? Binary format, 5 will be stored. 5 means, I think everyone knows this is the 5. 101 is 5. Binary format you have to write, nothing there. Binary format you have to write. All zeros will be there. So in the 2 bytes, right, 5 will be stored. But to save your time, directly I written. I written in the decimal format, but inside computer in the binary format it will store. Inside computer in the binary format it will store. Okay, fine. Compilation is over. Global variable memory allocated. See this one. Declaration means creating memory. Try to understand. It is a declaration, creating memory. Compile time. Global variable. Right? In the static area. Yes, done. Now program is running. See this one. Program running. Program running will start from main. Try to understand. Program running will start from main. So remember main function. Main function running means, everyone observe. Program running will start from main. Main function is running means main function will push inside stack. Main function running means main function will push inside stack. See, it is a main. Main function running. So main function will push inside stack. What it means? Whenever you say main is running, main function pushed inside stack. Main function is running means main will be pushed inside stack. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of running? Running means local variable allocating memory. Whenever main function is running, local variable, if anything is there, creating memories. This one, int a is equal to 10. Int a is equal to 10. A memory will allocate 10. And one more thing, right? Already memory location 1000 given to this A, right? To this one, maybe some other memory location 2000, right? At the 2000 memory location in the stack area, local variable A created, value is 10 in the 2 bytes. Now, can you help, in the main function, see this one, main is running, means main is pushed in stack. What is the meaning of main is running, right? Global, right? Inside local variables, whatever they, for them memory will be allocated. Okay, it is a declaration memory created. Now see the answer. After, right, while main is running, so for the first line memory allocated, second line B function called. Remember, function call, B called means whenever you say B function is called, that means B pushed inside stack. When you say B function is called, means B will be pushed inside stack. Means now B is going to run. Function call means push operation. First main is called, main will push. What is the meaning of main is running? Local variables memory will allocate. Now inside main, B is called. So function call means push operation. B is called means B pushed inside stack. Now B is running means what? B local variable, if anything is there, memory will allocate. See, B called means, right? B called means B will push inside stack. Okay, B will go inside stack. B running means any local variable is there inside, memory will allocate. See, I think this line is completed. 1, 2 purpose number, right? Line number 2 purpose. B called, I went outside. Now let's go to B. B is running now. In the B first line, right? Declaration, memory will allocate. One more time A is came. Value is 20, right? Because of one more time declaration, one more time memory will be allocated. So it is a 3000. In the B function, first line is over, declaration. Second line, C function called. Remember, function call means push operation. Function call means push operation. So C called. You will go there. Function call means push operation. Next one, function running means any local variable is there, memory will allocate. Right? I think declaration, memory create again. So A value 30. Because of memory created again, some other memory location, 4000. So C function first line over. See the second line, D function call. Call means push operation. D is pushed inside stack. D is pushed inside stack. D called means D pushed inside stack. Now D is called means D pushed inside stack. It's okay. Now D running means local variable memory will allocate. Local variable memory will allocate. I think int A is equal to 40. A memory will allocate. 40 is the value. Address is 5000. Now in the D function, first line is over. Now I have to execute second line. I am at second line. Is there anyone who is having any objection till now? Is there anyone who is having any objection till now? Let me know. Everyone let me know. Everyone let me know. Do you have any doubt? C program you can, right? C program you cannot run without compilation. C program you cannot run without compilation. First compile, next run. Compilation time, global variable memory will allocate in the static area. Compilation time for the right, for a global variable memory will allocate. Anything else? Yeah, I think Sachi is saying something. Sir, in platform there is only one option, run. Yeah, maybe for the user comfortability they written like this. Sachi, for the user comfortability purpose they written, but inside they are compiling also, they are running also. Thank you so much for asking. That is the meaning of user friendliness. That is the meaning of user friendliness, right? For user convenience, they may be written one button. But inside there are two things. First compile, next run. First compile, next run. It's a very good question. Thank you so much, Sakshi, for asking. Anyone having any doubt? Please respond, everyone. Hello. Hello. So Karthik is asking, I am fourth year. Karthik, it's my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me. I will help you. We both can discuss. Right? Karthik, you can clarify all your doubts. Don't take any decision directly. Karthik, don't take any decision directly. Right? We'll discuss. Right? So whatever questions are there, you prepare. You prepare all your questions. Sir, I have these doubts. You prepare all. You can ask me. Sir, this is my doubt. This is my doubt. You ask whatever you want. I will help you. First, prepare all your queries. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. I am thinking like this. I am thinking like that. You say whatever you want. I will say. I will share total my experience. All right. I will say my total experience. Can we go further, bro? Can we go further? Anyone having any objection? Please write down. Function calling means push operation. Function is called. So I'm writing also. Main called. Main function called. That means main will push. Main function push. Main function push. Main function called means main will push. Next one, in the similar way, B function called. That means B function push. B function push. Main called means main push. B called means B push. Next one, some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of main function running? Main function running means if any local variables are there, memory will be created. Right? Some calculations also done. Right? Main function running means any local variable memory will allocate, and if any calculations are there, it will do calculations also. Running means running. One by one line, it will run. Local variables, anything is there, it will create memory also. Right? So anyone having any objection? Some people are asking, sir, why main pushed first, sir? Main called first. Sir, why main is pushed first, sir? Main will call first. Right? While executing main, it is called B. While executing main, B called. After main, B is called. After main, B is called. While executing B, C is called. While executing C, D is called. While executing D, no one is called. While executing D, no one is called. Sir, what is the meaning of D called, sir? D function called means D function will push. Can you help me? What is the last function called? What is the last function called? Everyone respond. What is the last function call? Last function call is D. So if last function call is D, last push is D only. Whoever called last, he will be pushed last. See, D called last, D will be pushed last. D called last, D will be pushed last. What is the meaning of function is running? Local variables memory will allocate. Local variables memory will allocate. Some people are asking, for local variables where memories are, stack area. For all local variables, memory will allocate stack area. Sir, for global variable where memories are, static area. Now, it is a correct question to ask you. Till now, for how many variables memory allocated? Till now, for how many variables memory allocated? This is the current situation. Currently, D function running. Currently, top of the stack is D, means D function running. Currently, D function is running. Top of the stack, whoever there, that person is running. Let me write now. Top of the stack. D function there. Top of the stack, D function there. That means D function running. Whoever there top of the stack, right? That person is running. D function running. Bracket means function. D function running. Whoever there top of the stack, that person is running. Top of the stack, D function there. That means D function is running. Whoever top of the stack is running. Now it is the correct time to ask you. It is the correct time to ask you. Until now, how many variables total? For how many variables memory allocated total? Till now, for how many variables memory allocated total? Hello? Till now, for how many variables memory allocated total? Before running compilation. Compilation time, one global variable. Running time, 4 local variables. Totally 5 variables memory allocated. Top of the stack D function there. Means D function is running. Why it is running? Why it is running currently? Who is the top of the stack? Who is the top of the stack? He is only can run. Whoever is the top of the stack, he only can run. So totally 5 variables. See, 5 variables. 1 local variable, sorry, 4 local variable, 1 global variable. Totally 5 variables are there. Can you help me? Totally 5 variables are there. Okay. But what are the names of those variables? Finally, 5 variables are right. At the end of the day, till now I created 5 variables. What are the names of the variables? Till now, 5 variables are created. 1 is global, 4 is local. What are the names of the variable? Names of the variable, yeah or not? Names of the variable is yeah or not? Even though 5 variables are there, names are yeah only. Names are yeah only. All are yeah only. 1 global, 4 local. Because of 1 global, 1 person only created memory in the static area. Because of 4 locals are created memory in the stack area. Some people are asking, sir, how can you keep the same name for all the people? How can you keep same name for all the people? I think there is no problem. See, there is no problem. If I go inside one family, example, in your family also, there may be a Vijay. In your family, one of the member name Vijay. In my family also, there may be one more person, his name is Vijay. In Indian families, many families are having common name. In Indian families, if you go inside the every family, there may be some Vijay, there may be some Ajay, there may be a Kumar. If you go to the Bihar, most probably in every family, one Kumar will be there. Most probably, if you go to the right Bihar, in every family, one Kumar will be there. If you go to the Gujarat, in every family, one Patel will be there. Are you getting? If you go to the Gujarat, in every family, one Patel will be there. If you go to the Bihar, in every family, one Kumar will be there. Are you getting? Some people are asking, sir, how can you keep the same name for all? In your family, Vijay there. In my family also Vijay. Where is the problem? Yes or no? There are 4 locals, 1 global, totally 5 variables. So who is running? Which function running currently? Top of the stack, whoever there is running. Top of the stack, which person is there? That function is running. Top of the stack, D there. D function running. Top of the stack, D there. D function running. 1 global, 4 local. Yes. Main function called means main is pushed inside stack. B function called means B is pushed inside stack. I hope everyone perfect. I hope everyone is perfect. Let me know any objection. Right? Some people are asking, sir, why bottom of the stack is main? Function running. Right? Program running start from main. Program running will start from main. Program running will start from main. Sir, why top of the stack D, sir? Oh, D function top of the stack means D function called last. Whoever there in the stack top, he called last. That is the reason is the top of the stack. Can we help you now? In the stack, always you can access first whom? In the stack, always you can access whom first. Stack contain many people. Stack contain many people whom you can access first to. Top of the stack or not? Stack contains so many people. Stack contains so many people. But every time whom you can access first to. Top right stack behavior is last in, first out. The person who came last to, he will be accessed first to. Try to remember. Even though stack contain many people, last person will be accessed first. See, last person. Last in, first out. Last person will be accessed first. Remember, top of the stack, whoever there, that person is running first. He is running. D function running. Why D function running? Right, stack behavior, last in, first out. Last person will come out first. That is the stack behavior, last in, first out. That is stack behavior, last in, first out. Okay, until now everyone is okay. Until now everyone okay. Now please respond everyone. Please respond everyone. How many functions are completed till now? It is a very tricky question. How many functions are completed till now? How many functions are completed till now? Let's see how many will give answer. How many functions are completed till now? Make it fast. How many functions are completed till now? Completed till now. Everyone. How many functions are completed till now? No response. No response. No response. How many functions are completed till now? How many? See, listen everyone now. Stack behavior, stack behavior, stack behavior. Last person will complete first. Listen, stack behavior, last person will complete first. Remember, remember, without completing the last one, before that cannot be over. Without completing before that cannot be over. Without completing that one, before that cannot be over. Remember, remember, top of the stack will be done first. Can anyone help me now? Listen, main function over. Our main function is waiting. Main function is over, our main function waiting. Please help me. Main function over or main function waiting? Is waiting. It is a waiting because to complete main function, B function required. See this one. Main is called B function. Main is called B function. Try to understand everyone. Main is called B function, means first line completed. In the main, first line completed. Second line to complete, I have to call B. Remember, main function is not over. Main function is in the waiting. Because to complete the main, B function required. See, main called B. So without completing this B, main cannot be over because main contain two lines. See, first one declaration, creating memory. Second one is B function. So one completed, okay. Then I went to the two. To complete the two, B function should be over. So to complete the two, I went to the B. Again in the B also, there are two lines there. First line, second line. First line completed declaration. Second line not over. To complete the second line, I have to complete C function. So I went to the C. Again here two lines. First line, second line. First line is declaration I completed. Second line to complete D function required. Now observe here. In the D function, first line completed. In the D function, first line is completed. Second line is here. Listen, second line is here. It's a correct time to ask you how many functions are called till now. These are very tricky questions. How many functions are called till now? Respond all. How many functions called till now? Functions. Arey bhaiya, function. Where 5 functions? Yeah. Yeah, 4. Anu said, right, 5, afterwards 4. Again, I'm repeating now. How many functions called till now? Respond everyone. How many functions called till now? 4. Can I say 4 functions are called till now? It's okay. How many completed? How many completed? Four functions called okay. How many completed? No one. No one completed. Next one. Next one. Who is running currently? Who is running currently? 4 functions called, no one completed. Who is running currently? Who is running currently? Whoever top of the stack is running. Whoever top of the stack is running. Whoever top of the stack is running. Who is running currently? Please say R. Who is running currently? D. Whoever top of the stack is running. Can you help me now? So D is running okay. What about main BC? Main BC waiting or not? Main BC waiting or not? D is running okay. D is running okay. Main BC, they are waiting. They called, but they are not completed because of something else required. They are waiting. Main is called first two, but is not completed because some waiting state, right? Because it needs something else. To complete the main, B function needed. To complete the B, C function needed. To complete the C, D function needed. Currently, D is running. Now, please help me. Please help me. How many called? Over. Everything is perfect now. Everything is perfect now. How many functions called? Respond properly. It is over. How many people called? How many people called? No response. No response. No response. How many functions called? Say fast. How many functions called? How many functions called? How many functions are completed? Who is running currently? Who called first? Please give answers. All the things you write down. All the things you write down. 4 functions called. 4 functions called. First main is called. Next B called. Next C called. Next D called. Who is currently running? D is running. So if main is called first to, Y is not completed because he need B. To complete the main, B required. So he is waiting. Main is waiting for B. B waiting for C. C waiting for D. Now it is the correct time to ask you. Is D waiting for anyone? Is D waiting for anyone? Main waiting for B. B waiting for C. C waiting for D. Is D waiting for anyone? Currently D running. D waiting for anyone? D waiting for anyone? No one. Because he is the last one. Further, no one. Even though main called first to, Y is not completed. Main required B. Even though main called first to, Y is not completed because main want B. B not available. Y B not available. B want C. Then Y C is not available. To complete C, D required. Top of the stack, whoever there, he will complete first. Now listen, now everything perfect. Now everything perfect. Please help me. Top of the stack is D there. D is running. Top of the stack is D there. D running. In the D, first line completed. Top of the stack is D. In the D, first line over. Top of the stack is D. In the D, first line over. First line means creating memory. In the D function, first line is over. बोलो यार, बोलो. In the D function, first line over. Am I right or not? In the D function, first line is over. Am I right or not? D function contains two lines. Line number 1, line number 2. Line number 1 completed. In the D function, line number 1 completed. Now line number 2. Can you see in the D function, line number 2, printf A. Printf A. Can you help me now? In the D function, line number 2, printf A. Can you help me now? If I print A, what will print? In the D function, second line is print A. In the D function, second line is print A. Print A. Remember everyone. If I say print A, inside D function, any local person A there. Inside the D function, any local person A there, print A. Printf A. Local person will be printed. Local person 40 printed. Output is 40. Output is 40. Output is 40. Right? I'm repeating once again. In the D function, first one, local variable create. Second one, print D. Sixth one, printf percentage D A. Print A. So inside D, there is a one local variable A. So, right, remember, variable printing means inside person printing. Variable printing means inside person printing. Inside A, who is there? 40 there. 40 will be printed. 40 will be printed. Now, very important question. A very important question. Whenever I am in the D function, in front of me, A purpose, how many people available? Whenever D function is running, A purpose, how many people available? Totally, how many A's are created? Whenever D function is running, how many A's are created? Please help me. Whenever D function is running, how many A's are created? How many? Listen, D function is running. At that point of time, how many A's are with you? Whenever D function is running, how many A's are already created? I think 5 A's are not. Whenever D function is running, whenever I am at D, how many A's created? See, 1 A here, 1 more A here, 1 more A here, 1 more A here, 1 more A. How many A's? Whenever D function I am running, 5 A's are already created. Even though 5 A's are created, if I say print A in the D function, who will print? Even though 5 A's are available, if I say print A in the D, who will be printed? Even though there are 5 A's are there, if I say in the D function print A, who will be created? Remember, local person will be given more priority. Local person will be given more priority. 40 will be printed. So even though many people are there, so whoever top of the stack, those only printed. Always remember, stack will give importance to top of the stack only. Stack will give importance to top of the stack only. Even though many people, top of the stack, it will give more priority. Because stack means last person only. Stack means last person only. Please try to understand why it is a stack. Even though 5 people are there, stack will always see top of the stack only. Stack will always see top of the stack only. And one more, variable printing means inside value, whatever there, you have to print it. Variable printing means inside A, whatever there, you have to print it. Some students are asking, sir, 5 A's are there. Whenever I will say print A, why last person printing? You are using stack data structure. Program running means inside stack is there. Inside stack, everything will be pushed. Top of the stack, whatever there, it will be printed. Top of the stack, whatever there, it will be printed. Simply when you say print A, immediately it will check inside D function. Any local variable A there. Yes, it will print. Can anyone guess? Any problem till now? Answer 40. So whenever you say, listen, D function running, print A. Inside D, any A is there. Yes, that will be printed. D function running, inside A, inside D, any A is available. Yes, that will be printed. Because of stack, last person will be given more priority. Even though many people are there, top of the stack only it will take care. Top of the stack only it will take care. Now it is the correct time to ask you. It is the correct time to ask you. Please help me. Now second line also completed or not? In the D function, first line over, second line over. In the D function, first line over, second line over. First line over, second line over. Now D function completed or not? There is no third line. There is no third line. So D function over. In the D function, there are only two lines. First line, second line. First line over, second line over. In the D function, first line over, second line over. Can you help me now? D function over. In the D function, first line over, second line over. Now can I say D function completed? No one responding here. No one. No one. No one responding. No one responding. D function contain two people. D function contain two people. Two people completed. Then D over or not? D function contain two people. Two people are over. Then D over or not? Array man, D function contain two people. Two people completed. Means D over or not? D contain two people. First one, second one. Two people over means D over or not? Yes or no? D function contain two people. Two people completed means D over or not? D over means, right? Two people are over. See, you are able to see closed bracket. You are able to see closed bracket. You are able to see closed bracket. See, after second line, closed bracket. Closed bracket means D function over. D function over means this one. For this purpose you came. For this purpose you came. For this purpose you came. Whenever you say D over, control will go back. From which place you came, that place control will go back. So what is the meaning? Calling means push operation. Over means pop operation. That means you are coming out of D. D completed. See, out of D. D completed. D completed. Now you came back to C. Now you are at C. Whenever in the D function two lines completed, so D function over. D function over means popped out. Popped out means you will go to previous. See, previously you are in the C function. Now you came back to C function. C function, which place you came? See this one, C function, second line purpose. You went outside. Whenever you came back, that means second line over. First line already done. Second line purpose, you went outside. When you came back, second line is over. That means C function also over. C function over means this will also pop out of the stack. When you say popped out of the stack, see this one. You came to C function from here. When it is over, you came back. So already in the B function, first over. Second purpose, you went outside. You came back means second is completed. That means you are able to see in the B function also closed bracket. So B also popped out. That means you went to the main function. Can you help me now? In the main function, where are you? See this one. I think in the main function, second line purpose, you went outside. Whenever it is over, you came back. Now that means second line is completed. In the main function, second line is completed. That means main also over. Can you help me now? Main is called first to, and right, main is pushed also, main is popped also. That means program over or not? That means program over or not? See, first you started with the main is over also. When you say, listen, when you say popped out, see this one, remember calling means push operation. Calling means push operation. Calling means push operation. When you say over, pop 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 operation. Right? So see, upward arrow is a push operation, calling. This is a function calling. This is a function calling. So downward, right? Downward thing is going to be, right, pop operation. Function completed means pop operation. Right? So calling means push operation. Next one, calling means function over. Function over. Function over means pop operation. Upward arrow, calling means push operation. Downward arrow means the function is over, pop operation. Remember, the first person who called, listen, the first person who called main, you will complete last. The first person who called first, you will complete last. The last person who called, you will complete first. And one more, to run the program, see this one, to run the program, we are using stack data structure. To run the program, we are using stack data structure. If anyone asks you what is the purpose of stack, you can simply say, if I want to run the program, stack required. To run the program, we are using stack data structure. To run the program, we are using stack data structure. To run the program, we are using stack data structure. So please careful this also. To run the program, we are using stack data structure. Main function called means main push. B function called B will push. Function over means pop operation, which is also called as return. In the program, somewhere you run the return. Return means pop, which is nothing but going back. This is called return. This is called pop. These are also, see, downward arrows are nothing but return, which is nothing but pop. Function over, pop, which is nothing but return. Fine. Are you okay? Can you help me now? Among all the, listen, so many A's are created. Among all the A's, which A having the longest period of time? Which A will wait longest period of time? So many A's are created. Which A will be available longest period of time? So many A's are created. Push means creating. Pop means destroying. When you say push, local variable memory created. When you say pop, local variable memory gone. Can you say which variable will be available longest period of time? Global variable. You will create first two. Compile time itself, global variable will allocate memory. Compile time itself, global variable memory will be allocated. So even see this one, total stack is right. Total stack empty. Whenever total program over, main program also over. Lastly will be over. See, main also over, main also popped, then he will be over. Lastly will also over. Main also over, then lastly will be. Remember, he will create first two, but he will destroy last. Creation first two. right? Destroying is last, removal is last. Is having the longest period of time. His lifetime is right. His lifetime is more. Global variable lifetime is more because compile time itself memory will allocate. Total function, see, even main also over. Then global variable will be deallocated. For the global variable memory allocation compile time, memory deallocation, total program over, then you will deallocate. Then you will deallocate. I think most of the people got right. It's I see this one. I think many people know, but I have to take care about all the people. I explained so clearly. In my opinion, everyone knows. Whatever I am explaining, everyone knows. But I have to take care about all the people. I done it. Now it is the correct time. Please give answer. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So I am going back and I am rectifying. Can you see this? Can you see this one, everyone? There is a one point I have to explain. I will explain now. Please observe, everyone. One important point is coming. Everyone take care. Everyone take care. One important point is coming. Everyone, can you catch this? Can you catch this? Everyone observe. One important point is coming. Because of most of the things now. Easily you can catch. Easily you can catch now. Now can you help me now? Currently, which program is running? Sorry, currently which function running? Please help me. Currently which function is running? I want answer from all of you. Currently which function is running? Make it fast. Currently which function is running here? Let us assume all functions are there in the stack. Let us assume all functions are there in the stack. Who is currently running? Let us assume all are available in the stack. Who is running currently? D. Am I right? Let us assume in the stack all are available. Currently D is running, right? Currently D is running. Now observe. Very, very interesting. Now observe now. Now observe. Currently D function is running. Currently D function is running. Can you see this? Currently D function is running. Can you see this one? Can you see this one? In the D function, first line, create memory. In the D function, first line, create memory. Yes, I created. In the D function, currently D function is running. In the D function, first line, create memory, declaration, create memory. Yes, I created. Create memory. Yes, I created. Can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? First line is over. In the D function, first line is over. Can you see the second line? Print A. Print A. What will print? So many A's are there. So many A's are there. Print A. What will print? In the D function, first line is over. Second line, print A. What will print? Even though so many people are there, top of the stack only will print. Even though so many A's are there, top of the stack only print because it is a stack. Print A. What will print? Print A. What will print? Bro. In the D function, first line, create memory. Second line, print A. What will print? Say fast. In the D function, if I say print A, what will print here? In the D function, first line is create memory. Okay, created. Second one is print A. What will print? If you don't want to reply, then why you came? If you don't want to reply, then why you came here? Only Shikhar is replying. Only Shikhar is replying. No one replying. No one replying. Can you say print A? What will print? In the D function, first one, memory created. Second one, print A. What will print? In the D function, print A. What will print? Fast. In the D function, print A. What will print? Can I stop the class? Can I stop? No one replying. Can I stop? Hello? In the D function, first one, create memory. Second one, print A. What will print? No one replying. No one. Shikhar, no one replying. Why to continue here? No one replying. Why to continue? In the D function, int A is equal to 40. Print A. What will print? Hello? Hello? D function, print A. What will print? Please respond fast. In the D function, if I say print A, what will print? Will it print 40? D function, you said print A, what will print? It will print 40. Are you fine? Fine. Now give answer. Now give answer. Because of you are okay. Now give answer. See this one. Now give answer. Careful everyone. Now give answer. Yeah. Suppose assume in the D function is not there. Careful. In the D function, int A only return. Int A only return. Print A, what will print? In the D function, simply int A. Then print A, what will print? Int A. When you say int A, memory will allocate. See this one. When you say int A, memory will allocate. When you say int A, memory will allocate. When you say int A, memory will allocate. When you say print A, what will print? I want answer. Let's see how many people will give. You didn't assign anything. You simply said int A. You didn't assign anything. You didn't assign anything. Anything you didn't assign. Is there A there? But you didn't assign anything. A is there, but you didn't assign anything. Remember, A is there. Declaration there means A is there. A is there, but you didn't kept anything. Print A. What is the answer? Remember. It will print garbage value. Garbage value means if you don't keep previously in that memory, someone stored something. So that will be printed. Garbage value. Garbage value will be there. By default, some garbage values are there. Garbage printed. Garbage printed. By default, garbage printed. By default, garbage will be printed. Fine. By default, garbage will be printed. So if you don't keep anything, right? So some memory created. When you say int a, some memory created. You didn't kept anything in that memory. Previously, something kept. Previously in this memory, someone else is stored. Those values are still available because of you didn't kept anything. By default, garbage will be printed. Garbage will be printed. Fine. So let us assume that here you didn't kept anything. Garbage will be printed. Now see the beauty. It is a very important one. It is a very important one. Can you see this? Can you see this one? It's a very important one. Let us assume first line not there. Can you help me now? Let us assume first line not there. What is print a? First line is not there. In the D function, first line not there. Only second line. Print a, what will print? First line not there means no memory. First line not there means no memory. Can you help me now? Print a, what will print? First line not there means no memory. Print a, what will print? I want answer from all. In the D function, I am saying print a. Interesting thing is there is no a. Interesting thing is inside D there is no a. As soon as I said print a, right, on the top of the stack, which function there, in that function, any local variable you will check. No local variable. No local variable, but you are printing. No local variable you are printing. Remember. No local variable, still you are printing. That is called scope problem. See, that is called scope of a variable. You are printing someone who is not exist. So inside the D function, you are printing someone who is not exist. This is called scope problem. We don't know from where this a is came. This is called scope problem. Printing, right? Listen, using someone, you are using someone who don't exist in that function. No declaration means not exist. No declaration means that person is not exist. Inside D function, you are using some variable which is not exist. This is called scope problem. So remember. So I am writing here. Listen, I am writing here. This is a very important one. Inside D function, let us assume. Let's assume inside D function, no declaration. Let's assume inside D function, no declaration. But we are printing A. Then, right, we don't know from where you came. Then we don't know from where A came. We don't know from where A is came. Inside D function, A variable inside this one. Let's assume inside D function, A variable, no declaration. But we are printing A. Then we don't know from where A is came. This story is called as scope problem. This is called as scope problem. Let's assume inside D function. We are right, no A variable, no declaration, but we are using print A. Then we don't know from where A is came. This is called as scope problem. Then A is known as free variable. We don't know from where this variable came. A is known as a free variable. Means inside the function you are using someone who is not exist. This is called scope problem. That variable is known as free variable. We don't know from where he came. Variable A is known as a free variable. This problem is known as scope problem. What is the scope problem? Inside D function, A is not declared, but I am printing A. Means we don't know from where that A is came. This is called scope problem. And A is known as a free variable. A is known as a free variable. Please be careful. Right? I think until now everyone is fine. Now see the answer. Now see the answer. Inside D function, A is not exist. Inside D function, A is not exist. You are simply saying print A. So A is not exist, but you are using A. So we don't know from where A is came. This A is this problem is known as scope problem. This A is called as a free variable. We don't know from where he came. We don't know from where this person is came. Right? I think you are okay. Now some people are asking, right? This is called scope problem. This is called scope problem. This A is known as free variable. Now listen. To solve the scope problem, because this is called scope problem, right? To solve the scope problem, we have two solutions. One is static scoping. To solve the scope problem, we have two solutions. One is static scoping. Another one is a dynamic scoping. To solve the scope problem, we have two solutions. One solution is static scoping. Another solution is a dynamic scoping. What is static scoping? Listen, everyone. What is static scoping? Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Can you see this one? Inside D function, you are using A which is not exist to. Then it is called scope problem. This A is called free variable. So then to solve this scope problem, we have two solutions: static scoping, dynamic scoping. What the static scoping saying is, listen, what the static scoping saying is, if local variable not there, see the answer. What the static scoping saying is, if local variable not there, print the global variable. Right? What the static scoping saying is, you are using A which is not local. If no local, use global. If no local, use global. Use global. So that is called static scoping. To solve the scope problem, we have two solutions: static scoping, dynamic scoping. What static scoping saying is, if no local person, go to global. Print global person. Global variable take global variable. Am I right? If no local, take global. That is called static scoping. So can you help me? If you take global variable, answer 5 will be printed or not? See the global variable. See the global variable. 5 will be printed. If no local, take global. If no local, take global. 5 will be printed. This is called static scoping. If no local, take global. Some people are asking, sir, what is the scope problem? Inside the D function, I am using one variable which is not declared. Means no local, but you are using. This is called scope problem. That person whom you are using, that is called free variable. Solution is static scoping. Means no local, then take global. If no local, take global. That is called static scoping. Now see the interesting answer. What is the dynamic scoping? Some students are asking, what is the dynamic scoping? Can you see this one? Can you see the interesting one? What is the dynamic scoping? Everyone observe. Everyone observe. What is the dynamic scoping? People are asking, sir, Reddy sir, can you say what is the dynamic scoping? Can you see? Very interesting. Very interesting. You are in the D function. See this one. You are in the D function. There is no A. You are in the D function. Inside D, there is no A. Okay. But you are using print A. You are using print A. No local, you are using print A. This is called scope problem. This variable A is known as free variable. This is called scope problem. So dynamic scoping, what it is saying is, right, if no local, dynamic scoping saying that if no local, then what you do is go to previous. Dynamic scoping, what is the meaning? Don't go far away. Whenever topmost place A is not there, right? So you are using A, but A is not exist in the top of the stack. If not there, so pop this, go to previous. At least here A there are not check. Yes, this will be printed. In the dynamic scoping, if top of the stack not available, pop this one, go to previous. So previously there is a 30 will be printed. So 30 will be printed. Go to previous. Go to previous function, check. Go to previous function. And check. Yeah, if A available, print it. So 30 will be printed. This is called dynamic scoping. This is called dynamic scoping. Fine. Whenever scope problem will come, there are two solutions: static scoping, dynamic scoping. What is static scoping? No local, go to global. What is the dynamic scoping? Top of the stack, not there. Go to previous. Go to previous. If previous is there, take. If previous is there, take. Now some people are asking, sir, previous also not there, sir. That is, sir, previous also not there. So here not there, come here and print. Suppose here also not there, So pop it out, come here. At least this one print. So if 30 not there, 20 will print. If 20 also not there, go to previous. If 20 also not there, this also not there, then go to previous. Then 10 will be printed. Then 10 will be printed. If 10 also not there, see this one, 10 also not there, then right, previous one printed. Who is the previous one? This. Before main, there is a global variable. Before main, there is a global variable. Lastly, right, global variable will be printed. Lastly, global variable will be printed. See, lastly, global variable. So 5 will be printed. If no local, but you are using, this is called scope problem. What is the solution? Static scoping, take the global. Dynamic scoping, take previous. Previous one not available, take previous. Previous one not available, take previous, and so on. And so on. Other than this, nothing there. Worst case, dynamic scoping also will print global variable. Worst case, dynamic scoping also print global variable. Worst case, dynamic scoping also will print global variable. Right? So, but static scoping, no local, directly print global. No local, directly print global. Can you help me now? If local variable is available, any scope problem. If local variable is available, any scope problem. You are using some variable which is local. You are using some variable which is local. If local is there, any scope problem? No. If local is there, no problem. If local not there, that is called scope problem. There are two solutions: static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping means no local, go to global. Dynamic scoping, no local, go to previous. Can you help me? Which one you know already? Which one you know already? Out of static scoping, dynamic scoping, which one you know already? No local. Manish saying, how are you, sir? I am fine, Manish. How are you? Can you help me now? Which one you know already? No local, take global. You know or not? If no local, take global. You know or not? If no local, take global. You know or not? If no local, take global. You know or not? So this is what? This is the C programming. Remember, C programming by default follows static scoping. Write down. Note. C programming by default follows static scoping. If nothing mentioned in the examination, nothing is mentioned, go to Static scoping, no local. What is the meaning of static scoping? Static scoping, no local. No local. Then go to global. No local, then go to global. That is called static scoping. If nothing is mentioned, static scoping, dynamic scoping. If nothing mentioned, go to static scoping. C programming by default follows static scoping. C programming by default follows static scoping. What is the meaning? If no local, go to global. Can you help me now? No local, then go to global. Suppose no global, then what is the answer? No local, then go to global. Suppose no global, then what is the answer? If no local, then go to global. Suppose no global, you are unlucky. If no local, then go to global. I am talking about static scoping. In the static scoping, no local, then go to global. Suppose global also not there. No global also, then what is the answer? No local, then go to global. Suppose no global also, then error. What is the error? No, then error. See, what they want to give at least one chance to you. See, first of all, without local, how can you print? First of all, without local, how can you print? Actually, without declaration, you cannot use it. So one mistake you done. No local, but still you are printing. Then what he will do is, instead of giving error, you want to give one chance to you. At least give global. So unfortunately, no global also. Then error message. What is the error message? Undeclared variable. Undeclared variable. Error message will come. Undeclared variable, error message will come. So if anyone say to you, by default C language follows static scoping. What is the meaning of static scoping? No local, then go to global. If suppose, unfortunately, global also not there. No local, you are going to global. Global also not there. Then undeclared variable. See, you want to give one chance to you. That chance also you are missing. It will say undeclared variable, error message. Be careful. That C language follows by default static scoping. What is the meaning of dynamic scoping? Top of the stack problem. Then pop that one, go to previous. Name itself saying dynamic. Dynamic means closest one. Dynamic means closest one. Top of the stack is not there. Top of the stack not there. Go to previous. Pop that one, go to previous. Previous also not there. Pop that one, go to previous. Previous one also not there. Pop that one and go to previous. Continue. Worst case, you may come until global. Worst case, you may come until global. Suppose you are saying that, sir, global also not there. Everywhere not there, global also not there. Same error message will come. Same error message will come. So remember, whatever I written about static scoping, I written. Static scoping, no local, then go to global. Okay, that's it. Some people may ask that, suppose no global also. Suppose no global also. Then undeclared variable, error message will come. Some people are asking, sir, what about dynamic scoping? Let's see the dynamic scoping. See the answer. Dynamic scoping. No local. Can you see the dynamic scoping? No local. If local there, no problem at all. No local. Then what is the answer? Go to previous. How to go to previous one? Pop one time, you will go to previous. Go to previous by popping. Go to previous by pop. One time pop, you will go to previous. Suppose it is also not there. Previous also not there. Again go to previous. If not there, go to next previous. By one more pop. So continue. Lastly, worst case you will come to global. Global also not there. Undeclared variable. Now it is the correct time to ask you. In GATE examination, one program is given. He didn't mention static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one you will do? In GATE examination, one question is given. He didn't mention static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one you will do? Which one you will do? In GATE examination, one question is given. He didn't mention static scoping, dynamic scoping. Which one you will do? By default. By default, C language follows. By default, C language follows. Hello? He didn't mention anything in the examination. He didn't mention anything. Consider the following program. Static or dynamic, he didn't mention. Which one you will go, yaar? Static scoping, na? C programming by default follow static scoping. If they don't mention, go to static scoping. Can you help me now? Static scoping, dynamic scoping, which will take more work? Static scoping, dynamic scoping, which will be more complex? Static and dynamic, which is more complex, yaar? If no local, go to global. In the case of static scoping, if no local, go to global. It is very simple, but in the case of dynamic scoping, if no local, go to previous. Again previous, not there, again previous. Again previous, not there, again previous. You have to pop many times. You have to pop many times. That is the reason. That is the reason. Right? Most of the languages follow static scoping only. Most of the programming languages follow static scoping only because it is very easy. It is easy. It is easy. Dynamic scoping, it is means static scoping is easy. Dynamic scoping difficult. It is difficult. Because so many pops you have to do worst case. It is difficult. Dynamic scoping is difficult. So that is the reason. That is the reason most of the languages follow static scoping. Most of the programming languages follows static scoping. Most of the programming languages follow static scoping. Fine. Most of the programming languages follow static scoping. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, I don't know how many people are utilizing this. I don't know how many people are utilizing this. If anyone not utilized, if anyone is not utilizing, so my request to all the people, right? If you buy the, right, this particular course, regular course, if you buy regular course, you will get the RIC also, you will get the test series also free, right? So 47,000 rupees, right? You can spend only 15,000, right? Use whatever code you like. This code also you can use, this also you can use. Any code you can use. So, right, it's the combo course, right? Where you buy the regular, you will get the RIC also, you will get the test series also. This will be closed very soon. If anyone not utilized, utilize. GATE DA also same. Regular if you buy, RIC also, test series also. Next one, GATE CSE, GATE DA if you buy. So I think 64,000 actual cost, but you can pay only 21,000. You will get the advantage. Right, same thing for the right GATE CSE, GATE DA foundation course. Foundation course means 2 years course. 2 years course, you have to pay this much, but only this. You will get a lot of advantage. Utilize this. Right, same thing. Right, you can utilize. You can go for 1 year course. You can go for 2 years. You can go for crash course. You can go for rank improvement course. Right, mentorship session, test series, whatever you want, you can select. So CSE plus top PSU course you can select. You can utilize all. Yeah, we'll see with the remaining things tomorrow. Please go through this one time. Tomorrow, as soon as I will start, in tomorrow's class, about the scope, 5 problems I will give. In tomorrow's class, I will give 5 problems. Please revise and come. In tomorrow's class, I am going to give 5 problems. Please revise all and come. Whatever I discussed, so many basics I discussed. You revise and come. You just revise and come. Small doubt also there, you can ask me. Little doubt also there. It is our WhatsApp number. You can ping me. We are going to help you. It is our WhatsApp number. Little doubt also there. Right? Just ping us. We are going to help you. Right, fine. Thank you. See you tomorrow's class. See you in tomorrow's class. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. This is the last batch for the GATE 2026. GATE 2026, it is the last batch. It is the last batch. If anyone not started, start now. You have only 8 months. You have subjects, 13 subjects for CS, 10 subjects for DA. It is the last batch of GATE 2026. If anyone is not joined, please join fast. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Good night. Good night everyone.